This is the habitable planet. What four things does Earth have to make it habitable? Earth has a magnetic field, and the magnetic field protects the Earth from solar winds. It also has the perfect position from the Earth to the Sun, so the Earth is just a perfect distance away. Earth also has mass, and the Earth's mass allows the Earth to have an atmosphere because of the gravitational pull. And the atmosphere obviously protects us from harmful rays from the sun and other things like that. Earth also has plate tectonics, and that helps with the rock cycle and other cycles. What is needed for life? Water, oxygen, the atmosphere, protection from the sun rays, protection from solar winds, soil, sunlight, and carbon dioxide.